In the annals of history, ancient Rome stands as a beacon of remarkable technological prowess. As we embark on this journey, we'll traverse the broad avenues of Roman innovation, from their architectural masterpieces to their ingenious water engineering. We'll explore the vital arteries of transportation and the might of their military engineering. And we'll delve into the everyday technology that made life in Rome unique. So, step into the time machine as we journey back to ancient Rome. Imagine a world where concrete is a novelty. That was Rome over 2 millennia ago. When we think of Rome, we think of grandeur, and much of that grandeur comes from their architectural masterpieces, structures that have withstood the test of time, a testament to their innovative use of a material we all now take for granted: concrete. Roman concrete, or opus caementicum, as they called it, was a revolutionary construction material. It was not only durable but also versatile, allowing for the construction of structures with complex shapes and sizes, structures that would have been difficult, if not impossible, to build using only stone and brick. The Pantheon, with its massive dome, is a perfect example of this. The Romans used a mixture of lime, volcanic ash and water to create a kind of concrete that could be poured into molds, much like we do today, allowing them to build the Pantheon's impressive dome, a feat of engineering that still astounds architects and engineers. And who can forget the iconic Colosseum? It's a marvel of architectural design and construction, and it's largely thanks to Roman concrete. The Colosseum, with its arches and vaults, showcases another key aspect of Roman architectural design. These features, made possible by the strength and versatility of Roman concrete, allowed the Romans to build larger, more open spaces than ever before. The arch, in particular, was a cornerstone of Roman architecture. Arches distribute weight evenly across the whole structure, making buildings more stable and allowing for larger, more impressive constructions. The Romans took this principle and ran with it, creating the vault, a series of arches which allowed them to build spaces that were not only larger but also more aesthetically pleasing. Without a doubt, Roman architecture was a testament to their ingenuity and vision. From the Pantheon to the Colosseum, the architectural masterpieces of ancient Rome continue to inspire and amaze us, reminding us of a time when concrete was a novelty, when arches and vaults were cutting-edge design principles, and when Rome was the epitome of architectural grandeur. Now let's delve into the ingenious water systems of ancient Rome. The Romans were true masters of water engineering. One of their most significant achievements was the construction of aqueducts, grand structures that carried water from distant sources into cities and towns. These aqueducts were a marvel of engineering, with gradients meticulously calculated to ensure a steady flow of water. The construction of such aqueducts was no small feat. It involved carving through hills, erecting towering bridges, and building lengthy tunnels. But the Romans were undeterred by these challenges. They were driven by a vision of urban life where clean water was accessible to all, a vision that was truly revolutionary for its time. And the impact of these aqueducts? Well, they transformed Roman cities. Suddenly, fresh water was available in public fountains, baths, and even private households. This abundance of water also allowed for the growth of Roman industry, such as milling and mining. But the Romans' water engineering prowess didn't stop at aqueducts. Let's turn our attention to the public baths, or thermae. These were not merely places for cleanliness. They were centers of social and cultural life, where Romans of all social classes could relax and mingle. The engineering behind these baths was remarkable. The Romans developed complex heating systems known as hypocausts, which warmed the floors and walls of the bathing rooms. They also engineered sewage systems, ensuring that wastewater was efficiently removed. The Roman approach to water engineering was holistic. They understood the importance of water for public health, for industry, and for the social life of their cities. They saw water as a resource to be harnessed and managed, and they built the infrastructure to do just that. Indeed, when it came to water engineering, Rome was truly ahead of its time. Rome wasn't built in a day, but its roads certainly spanned an empire. The Romans were master road builders, utilizing advanced construction techniques that stood the test of time. So how did they do it? Firstly, they chose the route carefully, favoring straight lines whenever possible. The road's foundation was made of solid materials like stone or gravel, compacted and leveled to provide stability. On top of this, they placed a layer of finer gravel or sand, followed by large, tightly fitted paving stones, creating a smooth, durable surface that could withstand heavy traffic and harsh weather conditions. But these roads weren't just feats of engineering, they were vital arteries of the Roman Empire. They facilitated trade, allowing goods to move swiftly across vast distances. They also served a crucial military function. Roman legions could march rapidly to quell rebellions, defend borders or launch invasions, thanks to these well-maintained highways. These roads were marked by milestones, providing travelers with essential information about distances and destinations. This system of mapping and logistics made travel efficient and predictable, akin to our modern GPS. In essence, the Romans turned road construction into a science, setting a high standard that future civilizations would strive to match. Their roads' remnants, still visible today, are a testament to their engineering genius and the enduring legacy of their empire. In the realm of transportation, Rome set the standard for the world to follow. Now let's turn our attention to the battlefield. The Roman military was not only a force of brute strength and discipline, but also a hub of engineering innovation. The Romans, true to their innovative spirit, revolutionized warfare with their formidable weaponry and strategic fortifications. Take, for instance, the ballista and the catapult. The ballista, a giant crossbow, could launch projectiles with lethal accuracy, making it a game-changer on the battlefield. The catapult, on the other hand, was a siege engine designed to hurl heavy stones or other projectiles over great distances, capable of breaching enemy walls and causing chaos in the ranks. In addition to their advanced weaponry, the Romans were also masters of strategic fortification. They understood that a well-defended base was key to their military success. Roman military camps, known as castra, were meticulously planned and designed to withstand enemy attacks. These camps were built with high walls surrounded by ditches and had a systematic layout for easy navigation. The military might of Rome was not merely due to the physical prowess of its soldiers, but also the innovative technologies and strategies they employed. From the battlefield to their fortifications, every aspect of the Roman military was a testament to their engineering ingenuity. In military engineering, Rome's prowess was unparalleled. Their legacy of innovation still echoes in the annals of military history, reminding us of a time when Rome was not just a city, but a beacon of technological ingenuity and military might. But Rome's genius wasn't just in grand structures and military might. Everyday Roman technology showcased the same ingenuity that built their iconic landmarks and powerful armies. A prime example lies in the heart of every Roman home, the hypocaust. This ancient central heating system kept homes toasty during chilly winters, with heated air circulated underneath the floors. An engineering feat, the hypocaust was a testament to Roman practicality and comfort. Meanwhile, Romans also revolutionized the art of glassblowing. While not their invention, they expanded its use beyond mere trinkets to practical items such as window panes and storage containers. This simple yet transformative technology brought light into homes and kept food and wine fresh, a testament to their innovation in everyday life. In the fields, Roman technology was equally impressive. They didn't just farm, they engineered their agriculture. The Romans utilized irrigation systems, channeling water to their fields, ensuring a steady supply for their crops. They also practiced crop rotation, alternating different types of crops to maintain soil fertility. This not only sustained their large population, but also enabled them to export surplus produce, contributing to their economic prosperity. From the warmth of their homes, the glass that let in the light, to the food on their tables, Roman technology was ever present. It wasn't just about grandeur or military dominance, it was about enhancing everyday life, making it more comfortable, more efficient, and more prosperous. Indeed, Roman technology permeated every aspect of daily life. As we journey back to our time, we carry with us the indelible imprint of Roman technology. From the architectural marvels that have stood the test of time to the intricate systems of water engineering that quenched the thirst of Roman cities, Rome's technological prowess was unparalleled. The road networks that connected the vast empire, the military might bolstered by innovative engineering, and the everyday technology that made lives comfortable, all bear testament to Rome's scientific genius. The Romans were not just conquerors, they were also builders, engineers and innovators. Their technological advancements laid the groundwork for many modern systems and practices. Whether it's our architectural designs, water supply systems, transportation logistics, military strategies, or even domestic comforts, the echoes of Rome's legacy reverberate in every corner. Ancient Rome's technological legacy continues to influence our world in countless ways. Join us again as we delve into more fascinating aspects of history.